Brimness IKEA headboard assembly. I hope this video is helpful to someone in some way. The first thing you want to do is to open up the box. Next, make sure to check all the pieces for damages before you begin. I like to lay out all the pieces so that I can pick and choose what I need for the build. Now we can start to put the screws in place. This video is only a guide. Remember to always follow the directions that come included in the IKEA manual. When you get to this part, only turn the lock nuts halfway. At the end, we'll tighten everything up. Install the center part first. Next, put the corner piece in place and remember to tighten the lock only halfway. Now we want to slide the panel all the way to the back. And now we are ready to put the centerpiece into position. Once you have everything in place, tighten everything now. Security. And now we can get both sides that we did earlier and put them into place. Make sure to tighten everything up security. Finish putting all the lug nuts in place and remember to tighten everything up security. Once everything is tightened, security, you can go ahead and put the unit up against the wall. Now you can put the top on, tighten up all the lock nuts, and don't forget to put your shells on both sides of the unit as well. The IKEA headboard mounts directly to the wall. Some people like to do this in order for it not to fall or move anywhere. Other people like to mount the unit to the bed instead. This makes it easier to move later if you're going to clean later on. If you made it this far, you have now built your very own IKEA headboard. Congratulations. Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful for you in any way, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for future videos.